So technology has become an integrated part in my life. It's hard to imagine a day going without my smartphone, my laptop, my smart home devices, and even my studio equipment because I am a content creator and I'm in the studio almost every day. So I've purchased a lot of tech items in 2024, but not all the tech that I bought was good. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 tech purchases that I did that I absolutely love, and one tech item that I hated. And it was probably a waste of money. Very expensive. So let's talk about it. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So 2024 has been a year of studio equipment for me. My ultimate goal is to be able to record all my videos with multiple camera angles and get the best audio, period. With that said, let's talk about number one. Number one of one of my best purchases that I've done in 2024, and that's getting some ATEM Mini Pro ISOs. Right now, I've already had the OC Stream Decks, which I have 2 of them, and I also integrated the YOLObox Ultra in my setup. So I'm using about 5 cameras and a few computers that's going into my ATEM Mini Pro ISOs and my YOLObox Ultra, which everything is configured to give me 8 independent video files from my computers and my cameras, and all of it is recorded on SSDs. So in post, I can use multicam and DaVinci Resolve to make editing easy. It sounds complicated. But it's not complicated. But that brings me up to number 2. And that's the Stream Deck. This is a must-have for a content creator. The Stream Deck, I'm able to control my whole studio, every aspect of the components and the computers and everything else in between. I can control with the Stream Deck. I can control all my switches, all my computers. If I need to bring up some websites, I can do that with the Stream Deck. Because the way I have my studio set up, I got my switches out of the way. I use the Stream Deck to control everything in my studio, from my monitors to my computers to my cameras to switching angles and everything else in between. So the Stream Deck to me is absolutely a must-have if you're a content creator, and that is number 2. So audio has been big for me in the past couple of years. I've got a few microphones in the past, microphones such as the Sennheiser 416, which you're listening to right now. I got the Warm Audio 8000G and a few other microphones that I have. But one thing that I needed was a best-in-class audio interface. So coming in at number 3, I got the Neumann MT48. Now this audio interface brings in best-in-class AD converters that has a staggering 136 dB of dynamic range with ultra clean preamps. That's what I'm talking about. That's what you're listening to right now. Now, the MT48 has awesome DSP processing, which allows me to complete my vocal mix by adding EQ, compression, and dynamics. Overall, the MT48 has helped my audio go to the next level. And I'm going to tell you, it may be expensive, but I'm glad I bought it. So as you know, audio is my passion. And coming in at number 4, we're going to continue on this audio train with the Rodecaster Pro 2. Now, I do live streams every week. I do podcasts every week. I do voiceovers and everything else in between. And the Rodecaster Pro 2 is a critical part of my workflow every week. It's outstanding. It has a lot of features. The Rodecaster Pro 2 has great sound quality, especially when I'm live, right? Plus, it has sound effects that brings in some sparkle to my live streams. It's an awesome piece of equipment that I really do like. And listen, to me, doing live streams, I am so glad that I have the Rodecaster Pro 2 because it's an integrated part of my live streams, and I'm so glad that I have it. So yes, the Rodecaster Pro 2 is a device that I purchased in 2024 that I absolutely love. So I know throughout this video, I've been picking studio equipment, audio and switches and stuff like that. But my last pick is a smartphone. Look, I use this smartphone a lot for content creation. Believe it or not, when I'm outside, I'm doing B-rolls, I use this smartphone. This smartphone have next level cameras that I really do like, and that is a OnePlus 12. It has been a proven device that's been really good. I mean, it's my phone of the year, and it's been in my pocket all throughout 2024. Now, I still carry my LG V60. That's my beloved device of all times. But the OnePlus 12 has been very good. Now, this purchase is one of the best purchases I've done in 2024. And I would highly recommend the OnePlus 12 to any smartphone person, anybody that's looking for a smartphone, a very good smartphone at a really good price. The OnePlus 12 is coming in at number 5. So that was my favorite purchases that I made in 2024, right? But I made one purchase that I absolutely hated. And I wish I would have thought twice before I bought it. And that device is the Roland SR20 HD AV switcher. Now, to be clear, this is an awesome device. It has 2 HDMIs for cameras and computers. It has 4 XLR combo jacks for extremely great audio. The Roland SR20 has a bunch of video and audio features that's great that for someone that's just starting out, right? And here is why it's one of my worst purchases. First, this thing costs $1,000. That's right, $1,000.
What the hell is this? Is this a 1977 Mercedes 450 SL for $24,000? That's too fucking high!
Next, I have about 5 or 6 cameras and 3 computers, so there's no way I can use this device in my workflow, right? Next, it's no Stream Deck support, which I use the Stream Deck for everything in my studio. This device doesn't have no Stream Deck support, so I can't control it. So it's a no-go for me. Lastly, there's no ISO recording. That's big for me because I like to record all my cameras and, do everything in post. You can buy a ATEM Mini Pro ISO and a Rodecaster Pro Dual, and you could stay below $1,000 and have 4 HDMI inputs plus great audio. Now, don't get me wrong, the Roland is good. It's a great device. The audio is really good. You got features, audio features, you got video features. You could do a lot with it, but for me, it doesn't work in my workflow. And I've used it maybe about 2 months and I haven't used it since. So it's kind of sitting around collecting dust. So there you have it. That's my 2024 5 devices that I absolutely love and 1 device that I absolutely hated. Look, check out my channel for videos on all these devices. And I believe all product links down in the description below. This is like the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about my top 5 picks of 2024 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.